Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. My name is Yatrissa, and today I'm going to show you how I got this glam Halloween makeup look. This is a look that I created for the girls and guys. If you want to do something fun, if you want to do something a little bit glam but still be in a Halloween spirit, that's why I created this look. So this look is a spiderweb. I did a blinged out spiderweb on my eyes. This look is like, I was going for someone that wants to be in a Halloween spirit, like I said before, but doesn't necessarily want to wear a costume or apply any type of mask. This is a simple look. This is a glam makeup look as well. I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial here on my channel, all the products used and how easy it is to create this look. As you can see, I'm in a Halloween spirit already. So this is one of my looks that I'm going to be doing for Halloween, and stay tuned for more looks that I'm going to be creating here on my channel. I'm going to be creating different types of Halloween theme characters and from movies as well, so stay tuned for those videos that I have upcoming on my channel. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my weekly videos here on my channel. So stay tuned for this makeup look. So what I first did off camera was I did apply my foundation, and for today's video I am using my Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. This is in the shade 13. I did apply that off camera. I am going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm using that for my highlighted areas, and for my contour I'm going to be using this Black Radiance contour stick, and I'm using my Real Technique contour brush to blend in my contour areas, and I'm just using that contour shade to contour my nose as well. So now I'm just going in with my setting powder, and the setting powder I'm using for my highlight is the Sacha Buttercup. It's like a yellowish tone setting powder. I'm using that for my highlighted areas, and for the rest of my face I did go in with my Maybelline Fit Me brown setting powder for the rest of my face. So I apologize, I was moving a little bit too fast, but I am caught up now. So now what I'm doing is I'm using my Athena paint palette. This is a face paint that I got from Amazon, and I'm just using this brush that came inside of a brush set. I'm not sure which company I got these brushes from, but it did come into a set, and this is a pointed brush that I'm using to create my lines. It's an angle brush, excuse me, that I'm using to create in my lines so I can begin to draw my spider webs on my face basically. So I was just trying to make those lines as straight as possible, trying to keep my hand steady. And then now I'm going to go in with that same brush, with that same paint palette, Athena, I think that's how you pronounce it, Athena is how you spell it for the paint palette, if anybody's interested in this face paint. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing the lines in between my spider web, and I'm just going to be try to mimic a spider web as close as I can, as close as possible. I did want my lines to be spaced out so that it can be visible, the pattern that I was trying to achieve and draw onto my face for this makeup look. So I did space it out quite fairly, a good distance, but close enough so you can see exactly what the pattern was that I'm trying to achieve and draw on my face here. And this is in real time, so I am taking my time and I'm moving slow just to get it as straight as possible. I know it's not going to be perfect, but just as straight as possible to my likings. So now I'm just going to be going in with that same face paint, and I'm going in with that same angle brush, and I'm just going to be drawing the spider web that's going to be on the opposite side of my face. And I didn't want it to be in the same area. I wanted to kind of look off, one up and one down in random places on my face. So that's why I'm drawing my spider web up on this side of my face for this side with that same brush. So this is one of my looks that I'm going to be doing today. As you can see, the spider web. This is an easy glam look. Like I said from my intro, this is going to be an easy glam Halloween makeup look. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was and how fast it is to achieve this look for anybody looking for something that's, you know, quick and easy and very inexpensive to achieve. So if you haven't done so already, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here on my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my new videos, so you can see my new videos when I upload here on my channel. So I'm going in with this Eye Envy, and this is eyelash glue. This is white eyelash glue, but it does dry down clear, so that is why I'm going in with this eyelash glue. So what I'm doing is I'm just going over each line with my lash glue, and then I'm going to let that dry, not dry completely, but get tacky, so that can be the how I'll attach my rhinestones after this step, basically. So again, this is in real time, and this is the speed that I am actually working. I did want to slow this part down because I wanted this part to be really detailed, so you guys can see everything that I'm doing to a T and close up. But as we go further on into the video, I do speed up certain clips if they are repetitive, so that you don't get bored of watching the video, basically. So yeah, so just make sure you go over each line and each just the whole pattern with the eyelash glue, basically, and then let it get tacky, and then you're going to go in with your rhinestone. And I'm not sure exactly the size rhinestones that I use for today's video, but these are fairly big in my opinion, but I apologize, I do not know the size of these rhinestones. But I'm glad that I did use this size, because if I would have used a smaller size rhinestones, I would have been there forever trying to apply each of these rhinestones to this Halloween makeup look. So I'm glad I did go in with the bigger rhinestones for this look. So what I did was I didn't apply them exactly on top of each other. I did space it out a little bit, because I didn't want to be here too long just applying rhinestones, because it took so many rhinestones to just achieve this look, and I just wanted to space it out a bit, but still have it bling a lot, still be kind of fairly close, but so that I just won't take up, you know, so much time just applying these rhinestones. And that's another reason why I did speed up the foundation process in the beginning of the video, because I wanted to get straight into the makeup look that I was trying to achieve for today. So that's why I just sped it up, but I did want to keep it in there so you guys can see how I created my base before I begin to go in with creating my Halloween spiderwebs and creating this look here today. Oh, and this is a wax stick that I am using to apply my rhinestones. I think it's very easy to use a wax stick when you are applying rhinestones, in my opinion, because it just picks up the rhinestones really easy and it doesn't get stuck to the wax stick at all. So that is why I'm using the wax stick to apply these rhinestones. And as you can see, this is a very tedious, and you know, you gotta have a lot of patience, but I have, you know, I have plenty of patience, and I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful look that I am creating. So I'm going back in with that Eye Envy eyelash glue, and I am just going to be going over the places that I did not apply the glue already, my eyelash glue, and just going over these places, these lines. And then of course, after you go over each section, each line for your design, you're gonna let it dry down a little bit just to get tacky. Again, we're not gonna let this dry down completely, because that would defeat the purpose, of course, of having the glue down. But after this does get a little bit tacky, then I'm just going to continue on and with my wax stick and picking up those rhinestones and then putting it down into my design, basically. So now I'm using my Morphe palette, and I'm using this palette, and I'm going in with that black shade. I did want this look to have incorporate a little bit of black, because I was trying to think of Halloween and just dark colors, basically. So I just wanted to go in with that black. So I'm just creating a black smoky eye, and I am using my e.l.f. blending brush to apply this eyeshadow to my eyes, and I am blending it in because I wanted to achieve, again, that smoky look for this eye makeup look. So I'm just going to be repeating on the same, on the opposite side. I'm just going to go back in with that black shade from my Morphe palette. And I'm using my e.l.f. blending brush to apply that eyeshadow on to my lids to create that smoky eye effect. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going back in with that INV eyelash glue. And these lashes that I'm using, I believe is from Ardell, if I'm not mistaken. I think these lashes are from Ardell. These lashes are very wispy and long as well. I wanted something to really stand out, so that's why I decided to go in with these lashes, because they are very full, they are thick, and I like the style of the lashes as well. It reminds me of a cat eye, the way that it goes from smaller lengths into larger lengths on the end. So that's why I'm going in with these lashes. Again, they are very full, they are very dark as well, and I thought that it mimicked, to me, I thought it was mimicked kind of like spiders, basically, because the lashes are so long. And these are very dramatic as well. These are not like a everyday lash that I would wear, but if I'm doing a certain type of makeup look, I would tend to go for these style of lashes, as far as because they're so big and they're so dramatic, and they really stand out and bring the looks together, in my opinion. So I did use a lash applicator to apply my lashes. That just makes it easier for me to apply my lashes, so that was what I'm using to apply my lashes onto my face. So now what I'm doing, I did want to show you guys a little bit of the opposite side of me applying my rhinestones with that same wax stick, but I didn't want to show you guys the whole process because it just would have taken too long. So I'm just showing you guys just a little bit of me applying some of those rhinestones on the opposite side, so you guys can see basically a little bit more of how I'm applying my rhinestones, if you are still a little bit curious to how that was done and didn't quite get it during the first clip of me doing the opposite side of the face with my my rhinestone spiderweb, basically. So this is just a close-up look of, this is actually the finished product. And for the lips, what I did was I did a brown line around my lips, and I did go in with my NYX lingerie lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, and I did apply that into center, and I blotted, and then I went on top with my lip gloss. So this is the finished product. This is a close-up. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so already, and hit the bell notification so you're notified when I create my certain looks here on my channel. This is going to be part of my Halloween series, where I create certain Halloween looks, and this is one of them, as I said previously in my videos. And I do have a social media, so check out my social media platforms and some of my other videos that I have posted here on my channel.